Alright guys, we're gonna unboxing this new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. They seeing it? So it just come up like, was that 2 weeks ago? So we're gonna try this Samsung Z. But it's pain in the butt how to open this one. Got it. So now we need to be careful because this is so expensive. Oh my god, you can build the house in the Philippines for this stupid phone. But oh, I got it. So look up. No charger. Where is the charger? So that's it.
That's it. That's all you get.
We didn't ask if we have a charger.
We got one right here.
Yeah, but they supposedly have everything. So I don't know how to turn on this.
Well, how about the switch that says ON on it?
That's what I did. So
Treat it like your own phone. Close it.
we cannot close. We need to take this. I'm just very afraid this how to. Oh, right here. So I don't know, guys. So this is, and then you can. My God, this is scary. Flip it like that. But the problem is, this is very thin, and I don't know. It's very low, but I think so. It's not work. Okay. Guys, tuloy yung ating pag-unboxing kasi nung nakaraan na putol. So, unboxing natin yung Galaxy Z Fold Ultra. So, I'm still learning. So, as you can see, ganyan yan siya. Tapos, yan.
Ano pa ang gusto mong talakayin? Ano ang susunod?
Ay, bakit siya nagsalita? Word. So, ayan na siya, guys. Ang kagandahan nito ay pwede siya double tasking. So, ang gawin natin, i-double tasking natin siya. Ayan, pwede siya. Pwede ka mag-Facebook. Pwede maglaro ng game. YouTube. Oh. Ayan, pwede ka dito. Yun ang kagandahan niya. Kalabas lang nito, bagong labas. So, pwede ka mag-Facebook dito, maglaro ng game, at saka YouTube. Pwede siya for tasking, multitasking. So, ayan siya. May Facebook pwede ka maglaro ng game dito, manood ng YouTube. O, diba? Ang ganda. So, yan lang siya, guys. Marami pa. Kailangan pang pag-aralan. Maganda siya. Maganda din ang presyo. Diba? So, that's it for today, guys. I like it. So, yung marami kang yung mga application na kalukuhan, pwede dito. Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Multitasking. Samsung. Ganda din ang camera niya. Tsaka yung niya dito ay matibay siya kasi siya ba yung tawag nito? Hindi siya madaling ma-broke kasi meron siyang parang protection. Meron na siyang protection dito. So, meron yan siyang fold. Ganyan. Fold. Pwede din siyang ganyan lang. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.